This is the reception area. Okay. Some awards and recognitions we got from various bodies, government bodies, electronic bodies. So these all belong, we recommended from there. This is a microscopic inspection. This particular refrigerator. Then there are people doing the binning for production to issue. So it is those stations. You can see the tags. You can see the tags. In this area, you can see the tags. So basically, after the warehouse, we used to receive the component kits on this particular shop floor. So in this plant of Sahasra, we have 4 SMT lines. 2 are on this floor and 2 on the second floor. Similar lines, same activity. So this line starts from this place, ends to that place. This line starts from there and ends here. Okay. So this is the first machine. We used to call it as a loader, PCB loader. The whole line is connected with MES. If you can see the screen, this is an MES screen. Okay. So it is telling you which board is right now going. It is for traceability. Traceability of every board. This is the second machine. This is a solder paste printer. It used to dispense the paste on the bare PCB. Okay. This is the third machine. This is a solder paste inspection machine. So it verifies the work of the machine, the previous machine. Okay. This is a pick and place machine. These are the component reels. These are the component reels. Okay. So if you can see how it is placing the components onto the PCB. Second module also of the same machine. If the board is big, we need more components, then this machine comes into action. So right now we are fulfilling this machine only by those 4 or 5 feeders, so that's sufficient for this particular product. Okay. Then we have the reflow oven. It is of total 10 zone reflow, 2 cooling and 8 heating zones. These are all the SOPs, the work instructions of the machines. It is pasted on every machine. So every parameter is defined, every work instruction is defined. Standard procedures are also defined on these sheets. So this is a magazine. We used to stack PCBs which are manufactured from the previous SMT line. This is an automatic optical inspection machine used to inspect the board which is being produced by the SMT line. Okay. Then there is the unloader. We used to stack all the boards here. Different type of boards are stacked. Okay. This machine used to do the FAI, first article inspection machine, automatic. show you some offline machines now. This is an X-ray. Whatever this machine cannot do, AY, this will serve the purpose. It is examining the components beneath the components. This is we used to get the boards in the panel form, so it used to cut the panels into the individual PCBs. So it is working right now. It is cutting the boards. These are PCB cleaners. Okay, the PCBs which is manufactured by these machines used to get clean in these machines. It's a DI water generator. It's the main cleaning machine. So this particular chemical, we use a different chemical also. We use this, mix it automatically and washes the board, rinse the board, dries the board also. Okay. So it is a laser marking machine. Right now also it is laser marking the So this is the laser marking machine. So we used to barcode every PCB to ensure the traceability of individual PCBs. Whatever is being manufactured in Sahasra is traceable to the customer through this barcode. Okay. So that's it from this particular shop floor. Same setup is on the second floor also. So now I will take you to the ground floor where we used to do the post-SMT work like FQA, like post insertion, like PTH, testing, and the final packaging used to happen on the ground floor. After that we will take you to the R&D section of the plant.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.